Hey guys, it's Fabio here. This is my boyfriend Yani, and we're back with another video. Today we're reacting to Dea Formilleza singing "Through the Fire," Idol Philippines 2019.
Why are you rushing?
Because that's what YouTubers do.
Do you know that song, Through the Fire?
Through the fire. Oh no, that's in the. No, I don't know that song.
Do you want me to sing it for you?
No, I'll have her do it for me. I don't know.
Shaka
I don't know. We just do this.
Guys, this is our new favorite show because there's a lot of good, talented people, and this is a good show.
This is not what YouTubers do. You'd have to say, this is our new favorite show because there's a lot of talented people. This is our new favorite show.
Okay, then you teach me how to be a YouTuber. Alright, before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and
comment down below what video you would like to do next.
I like this lighting
you would
today.
like us to do next.
I like the lighting today. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Without further ado, let's get right into the video.
Look, I'm wearing Philippine Idols colors. Blue colors.
And yes, we haven't showered yet.
Yeah, right. You can tell.
Without further ado, let's get right into the video.
Hi! Hello po! What's your name?
Hi.
Hi, I'm Dea. Ilan taon
Oh,
ka
Dea.
na? And where are you from?
Dea, it's a beautiful
I'm
name.
25. I'm from Compostela Valley. It's somewhere in Davao. So, Bisaya ko.
Oh, she's Bisaya like me.
Charot.
Jowa.
Aww.
What does your jowa do?
She seems very sweet.
Yeah.
And this song requires a lot of power and sass.
Oh.
So I'm curious how she's gonna sing this. Maybe she's gonna make it original like her own.
I'm so
music.
curious.
Singer din sa ASAP.
What?
Ang jowa mo. Si Daryl po.
Daryl O?
Oh my God!
Oh my god, this is Daryl Ong's girlfriend.
Nakwento
What?
niya sa akin.
Alam mo si Kuya Daryl, nag-gig kami sa Jensan, tapos lagi niya papakita yung pictures.
I always love the story. They always add story about the contestants.
Oh my...
Sobrang proud.
Moira's makeup is good.
Actually, kasalanan
She has
ko,
highlight.
nag-send siya ng video dito.
I feel like James Reid is always quiet in the panel of judges. So do you think that they're gonna let her in now because she has connection
There's
in the
even more
industry?
pressure to know someone,
Yeah, I know.
and then
Okay, she's singing.
oh,
I
oh,
look in your eyes and I can see
Oh, this song is so good. Trust you.
trust in your heart to anyone.
oh, I like.
I
that.
love that she's going slow. This
Yep.
is how the song is, and I love that she make it even more seem like a lounge type of music. And I want to hear the chorus.
You
I don't think I know this song.
me on
It's a good song.
a place.
It's a very loungy type of music.
She went without makeup. She's like
Very
natural.
minimal. Yeah.
I believe that we've only just begun.
Wow, control.
There's no
That vibrato is good.
proof the fire to the limit, to the wall.
I love what she did to the song. It's very romantic, lounge. It's very. I wonder what the judges think.
So this is not similar to the original.
The original is more like belty,
Oh.
like punchy, through the fire kind of thing.
Oh. Say do it again.
Through whatever, come what may, for a chance. That's how the song is supposed to be.
For a chance to be with you, I gladly risk it all.
Wow.
Wow. Come what may.
For a chance of loving you.
Do you think she's struggling a little bit?
I think it's at the
It's a
top
bit
of
too
her
high, a little bit.
I think it is at the top of her range.
You see all her
She did
emotion
so
though.
beautifully.
Even through the fire.
Wow, that's actually beautiful.
Nice.
Oh, I love it.
Good job. Very good job.
I'm curious what the
You
judges
are
think now.
amazing. Kasi kaya mong malambing, tas may power in the end. Sobrang nabitin ako in a good way.
Thank you.
Mama Reg?
She said she wants more.
Normally may expectations ka na.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. That's what Regine said. If you hear the song, normally you have the expectation already what the song's about to sound like. But she changed it up.
Kinanta mo siya, ito yung sound ko. Nakalimutan
Yeah.
ko ng very light si Shaka Khan. I like how
Which is a good thing. She said that we forgot that it's Shaka Khan's original song, which is a good thing because she made it
Right.
her own. This is
Yeah.
her own vocals
Yeah.
and artistry.
That
voice it.
that makes it so important for an artist to be able to
Yes.
not just copy whatever singer is singing that
Yes.
song, but to make it your
Make
own.
it your own because you're a personal artist.
And you need to show your vocals, like
yeah,
your
instead of
strength.
copying. Yep.
I agree with them both. I love how you made the song your own. You need
She
that
did
kind of
make it.
originality sa contest na to.
James really so
Yes.
quiet. I love
Thank
it.
you.
I love how delicate your whole voice is. So, right now I'm trying to evaluate. Ang galing. You no wonder na inlabay sa'yo si Darrell. I'm sure
Aww.
matutuwa siya sa ginawa mo. Hindi mo sinayang yung effort niya. Ang galing-galing mo.
She said
Thank
you're very
you.
good.
She is very
You
good.
guys ready to vote?
I hope they're gonna say yes.
I think so.
James?
Yes.
Yes na yes naman, no?
Mama Reg?
Yes!
She's
Aw.
in.
You
Aww.
only needed 3, but you're getting 4, yes? You're going to Idol.
Oh.
Oh, so what's the difference of Idol Philippines and American Idol? Filipino Idol.
Maganda. Mas maganda siya ng malapitan.
She's
Very
so
good.
Pretty. Everybody's saying that she's pretty. Wow, nice.
Yeah, because her voice translates in also her features.
Yes.
She's a cute angel.
My question is now, can she do other songs like?
Yes,
I
'cause
always say belting, but that's what I like. But not
I know.
necessarily you have to belt.
not necessarily,
just-
but it's a matter of not settling for only one style and
Yes.
just showing diversity in your
Yeah,
voice.
especially if you're in a
versatility.
competition.
Yeah,
you
because
have
they're
to.
gonna give you songs that are like hip hop songs or like.
Yeah, at some point you might have to dance. We don't
Yeah.
know. So
I'm curious to see who's going
Same.
through this competition.
yeah.
Oh, well.
anyway, well, thank you for watching.
Comment down below what you would like us to react next or to do next, and we'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Don't forget the hook.